So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we will also share with you the remote jobs with respect to the testing these days. So let me share those details with you. So PWC India is hiring. So they are hiring for talented and passionate professionals to join the growing team in multiple locations. So these are the open positions: senior Salesforce developer, Salesforce and Velocity developer, SM, SFMC architect, QA Pan India 3 to 10 years, Salesforce FSL developer Pan India 7+ years. So you can submit your application here. They are looking for immediate joiners. Then there's a requirement for software test engineers to join the growing team in Bangalore. So the key skills are Python, L2, L3 networking, robot framework, PyTest, automation testing. Experience is required is 3 to 15 years. Location is Bangalore, India. So if you're interested, you can reach out to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for senior QA automation specialist. The location is Sydney. Duration is 6 months. So they are looking for a seasoned automation tester with strong coding expertise and mandatory Playwright experience to join a high impact engineering team. So skills and experience required is 8+ years of hands-on programming, Java, Python, TypeScript. Mandatory is strong hands-on experience with Playwright, experience in building automation frameworks, expertise in API, Kafka, TCP/IP, and file-based protocols, solid understanding of SDLC and software delivery practices, experience in UI and backend automation testing. So if you're interested, you can share your CV at this particular email address. Then there is an opportunity for manual testers. So these days, if you will see, there are very less job opportunities for manual testers, right? And more opportunities you will see around automation testing. But still, there are some opportunities. So if you can apply and if you can get a job, that would be great. So they are looking for designing, developing, and executing manual and then automated test cases. So of course, it's a kind of a manual plus automation role, but less of automation, more of manual. And you can see the responsibilities is all around manual testing, identifying, reporting, and tracking defects, performing functional regression, integration, and system testing, collaborate with developers and product teams to understand requirements, ensure software meets quality standards, maintain test documentation, test reports, support UAT activities. All of these things are required, right? And it is work from office role, right? And it would be friendly work environment, competitive salary, professional development opportunities. So you can apply here at career@espsoftech.com, right? So candidates from Madhya Pradesh, MP are preferred. Location is Indore, MP, on-site role. Then there's a requirement for QA automation engineer. There's a remote role with respect to Selenium. Location is remote, and notice period required is immediate to short notice. And you can share your resume at this email address. Then Grazity Interactive is hiring. They are looking for talented and passionate automation testers. The role is for automation tester. Location is Chandigarh. And they are looking for somebody who has got strong programming skills in Python, Java, expertise in PyTest, TestNG, JUnit, BTT Cucumber, familiarity with Maven, Gradle, good command over Git and version control, and it's a fully automation testing role. So this is the email address wherein you can share your CV. Okay. Now, if you are looking for any kind of career guidance, or if you are looking for any kind of, I would say, the job assistance or any kind of job opportunities or resume review, so feel free to book a call here. So this is a career guidance call that you can book on the TopMeet, right? So on TopMeet, I'll be connecting with you for 1:1, and it will be a 30 minutes call, wherein if you are confused about what next step you should take in your career or what action item you have to do to get more calls on Naukri.com or from LinkedIn or from instahire.com or any of the job portals, feel free to connect with me, because here I'll be telling you the 1:1 approach that you have to take your career to the next level, right? So this is the career guidance call that you can book. I'll be putting the link as well as the link I showed you in the job description that would be placed in the first comment of the video itself so that you can apply from there directly. Okay. Next, let me tell you about the further job opportunities. So Capgemini is having a walk-in drive, right? So Capgemini is having a walk-in drive and they are looking for the female IT professionals who want to restart their career. The recruitment drive is in Chennai and Bangalore on 11th of April. So they are looking for somebody who has got solid Java coding expertise, strong experience in Selenium, experience 3.5 to 10 years. So if you're ready to take the next step in your career, date is 11th April, locations Chennai and Bangalore, you can register here. So apply here, right? Then there's a requirement for senior QA, 6+ years of experience. Location is Whitefield, Bangalore. Mode is hybrid, 3 days work from office. Interview mode would be in person. 6+ years of experience is required in QA as well as in automation. They are looking. So they are looking for somebody who has got hands-on experience in automation tools like Selenium, SOAP UI, and good programming skills in Java, experience working in Agile Scrum environments. So interested candidates can share their profiles at this particular email address, right? So these are the job opportunities for experienced people. Let me share more job opportunities with you. We also shared with you the remote, the work from home job. Now let me share more job opportunities with you. Okay, so this is a position for the Chennai based location. So Cybrox is a company which is looking to hire quality assurance tester. Experience required is 3 to 5 years. Notice period is immediate joiner. Skills required is manual automation testing, test case design and execution, bug tracking tools, API testing, basic SQL knowledge. Location is Chennai, on-site, hybrid. So you can submit your CV to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for ESP software. So they are looking for manual testers, and you can send your CV to this particular email address. And there's a website, right? So these are the job opportunities for testers, manual as well as automation. So you can apply for these job opportunities today itself. And let me know if you need any kind of career guidance, feel free to connect with us on the top meet, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.